In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your password on XTB. We all know how crucial it is to keep our accounts secure, and sometimes that means updating your password. Whether you're looking to enhance your security or you're just looking for a little extra peace of mind, changing your password regularly is always a good idea. Let's walk through the simple steps to update your password on XTB. First things first, you'll need to open the XTB app on your device. So go ahead and tap on the app icon to get started. Once the app is open, you should see a user-friendly interface designed to help you navigate with ease. Now direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen. That's where you'll find the profile icon. Tapping on it will take you to a new menu where we can access various account settings. Next, we're going to head over to the security section. This is an important area because it helps safeguard your personal information and trading data. In the security section, you'll find a variety of options dedicated to keeping your account protected. To change your password, select the option labeled Password Change. This is where the magic happens, enabling you to set a new password that you'll remember and that also fits all security recommendations. At this point, you'll be prompted to enter your current password. This step is crucial as it verifies that the person trying to make changes to the account is indeed you. So carefully type in your current password. Following this, you'll need to enter your new password. When choosing a new password, make sure it's something secure, yet memorable. Use a mix of upper and lower case letters, numbers, and symbols if possible. Try to avoid common words or easily guessable combinations to ensure your password is strong. Once you've settled on a new password, it's time to confirm the change. Double-check the details, as you want to make sure there are no typing errors, especially in the new password fields. A helpful tip is to write down your new password on a piece of paper, or use a password manager while you're still familiarizing yourself with it. Now simply click on the button to confirm the change. The app will take a moment to process this request and update its records. With that, you've successfully changed your password on XTB. Remember, the security of your account is in your hands. A strong password is a fundamental component of online security, and it's great that you've taken this step to protect your account better. Keep in mind that it's good practice to change your passwords regularly and ensure they remain unique for each of your accounts. Thanks for watching this walkthrough on how to change your password on XTB. Stay safe and see you in the next video.